As all of us are aware, India faces two critical challenges when it comes to skilling India's workforce. One is upskilling the existing workforce, and the second is ensuring that the new entrants into the industry are well trained as per the industry requirements. These challenges grow day by day as the technology is fast changing and newer skills are required to perform the tasks. However, with the latest technology and use of latest digital tools, it has enabled many students to learn a new skill or upskill themselves from comfort of their homes. With the aim to make India skill capital of the world and to skill India's youth for the future, NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, has developed an online e-learning portal called eSkill India. eSkill India is a multilingual portal which offers a number of courses. The courses are spread across fields like agriculture, construction, plumbing, retail, beauty and wellness, IT, ITES, etc. There are both paid and free courses available on eSkill India portal. These courses are available in English, Hindi and other regional languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Odia, etc. eSkill India is an aggregate portal where content is provided and developed by various content and knowledge partners of NSDC. To pursue any course on eSkill India portal, students have to first enroll on the portal by signing up. Students can then get to choose from a number of courses, and they can also preview it before finalizing which course they want to pursue. The dashboard on the portal will allow students to track their progress, access assignments and assessments, and to ask questions in case of any doubts. No matter how well crafted a course is, reaping its benefit will differ from student to student because pursuing an online course requires a great amount of self-motivation and time management skills. Internet connection may also be a hindrance, especially in rural areas. And also students who are not technology savvy may find it difficult to cope with their peers who are pursuing the same course. All said and done, e-learning portals have their share of advantages. E-learning portals like eSkill India have enabled aspiring students to pursue a new course or to upskill themselves beyond the boundaries of location and space. eSkill India is one of its kind national level portal which offers students a number of courses. Since these courses are provided and offered by NSDC, all the courses are in sync with the industry, which means students will eventually be employable as per the industry requirements. So what are you waiting for? Enroll yourself on eSkill India portal today and let us all together make skilling aspirational.
Here you see I am on the home page of eSkill India portal, and there are a lot of courses here in various categories. Like on the home page you see some of the popular courses. As you know, the popular courses are here because many people are currently enrolled in that, and then the latest courses which perhaps have been uploaded recently. And then you have a demo about how the eSkill India portal works, and what are the advantages of online learning or e-learning, and a list of knowledge partners, and also how the content aggregation part works on this portal. So from this home page now, let us try to see what are the free and paid courses. For that, I just clicked next to find a course field, and when I come here, I see on the left side free and paid courses. Now suppose I do a check here, and then I say apply filter for the free courses. I get to see all the free courses. Like you can see here, there are lot of free courses, and some of them are also displaying their name in Telugu, Malayalam or any of the Indian languages. Now if I come to the paid course and then I apply filter, then I get to see the paid courses. So you can see the amount here, like 1000 rupees or 3000 rupees, which is like, for example, you see the sewing machine operator course, which costs 3000 rupees, and it is offered by Amrita Technologies and Orion EduTech. Similarly, you see this financial literacy course, which is 2000 rupees, and it is offered by various aggregators, the content companies. Similarly, you get to see the price for every course. Like this one costs 13,570 rupees from TCS. This course is from TCS. And similarly, you have a course called Wealth Management Basics, which costs 11,060 rupees. And then when you come down, you can go to various pages because there are lots and lots of courses. You can check all of them. This is if you want to see what is the free and the paid course. You can also look at courses by agriculture or any of these sectors. Now let us try to see what is available in agriculture. When I apply the filter, it is telling me that look, these are the courses available in agriculture which are free. One is mushroom cultivation and the other one is backyard composting. And by the way, I have also enrolled for mushroom cultivation course. So when I go inside, what I get to see here is the details about the course, and then I click here to watch the video, the preview video.
मशरूम की भूमिका
Okay,
एक
so
विशेष
it
प्रकार
starts,
का
the
फफूंद
code starts playing in a different window, as you can see, and then it plays the complete video here. And if I want to get back to the home page, again I have to come here and see what details are there, and what is the duration of the course and many things. So after the preview, if I say continue learning, then it says you will be directed to the Knowledge Partners portal. So I go to the Knowledge Partners portal, which is a different website, and on this website I get to see the course. So it takes some time because it is redirecting, and here I get to see the complete course, as you can see the video here. So remember, this is a different website and it plays in a different window. Now coming to the portal again, I'm closing this window and I'm going back to the home page, and here I am on the home page. And again, let us see one more course. It could be anything to do with let's say the computer hardware repairing course. So suppose you want to enroll for this, I mean you want to access this, you can already see that the duration is given here, and also the language in which it is available. So this is the thing. And now coming back to other courses, like in construction sector you have this assistant surveyor course. So it is a free course, and if you want to go inside, you just click this, and then it says enroll now. You have to enroll, and the description of the course is given here, and pre-qualification is also given here, which is very important. And these courses also meet the NSQF levels. As you can see, it is at NSQF level 2, and they are designed on the basis of the QP-NOS. Now when I click the course for enrollment, it is taking me again to the Content Partners portal, where I get to see the course, and it is showing me in Hindi. Okay, so I will close this window, and again I'm going back to the home page. So this way you can freely navigate through the pages and try to find out what you want, what is the course you are interested in, and how is it relevant for you. So depending on the relevance, depending on the priority, and depending on exactly what you're going to do with this, you can go through the courses. And when I come to my page here, this is my page. It is giving me information about the courses I have enrolled for, and the this is more like a personalized page for me. It's a dashboard, a personalized page, which is going to give me information about the courses I have enrolled for and other information. And on the same page, I also get to see the popular courses. Here what I can do is, it gives me an idea, okay, these are the popular courses. If I want to take something, I can take those courses. Now When I go to the completed courses, when I complete those courses will appear on that page. I can also bookmark the courses. Bookmarking, as you know, helps you in keeping track of what you would want to do in future. It is like, keeping a list of your preferred courses. So you can do that as well. So let's go back to the home page now and make use of this portal. It has lot of content, lot of video content which is designed very usefully, and it would be nice if you can share your experience with us. Write to us at contact@nationalskillsnetwork.com and tell us how was your experience going through the courses. Did you find it useful? Were there any difficulties and things like that? We will be able to help you, so please do that. And as I keep telling you, always subscribe to our channel and keep following us on YouTube so that you get to know more about how to learn online, how to use e-learning as your preferred way of learning. Thank you so much.